Hey, food lovers! Have you ever heard of native rice? No, not the regular white stuff you find at the store, but the kind that's been grown for centuries by indigenous communities, packed with flavor, history, and a whole lot of goodness. Let me tell you, native rice is a total game changer. It's naturally gluten-free, loaded with fiber, and super rich in antioxidants. Some studies even say it helps keep your heart healthy and your blood sugar in check. And because it's usually grown using traditional, eco-friendly methods, it's better for the planet too. Win-win, right? Now on to the fun part. Let's cook up a quick native rice bowl you can whip up any night of the week. First, rinse about a cup of native rice under cold water. Toss it into a pot with 2 cups of water and a pinch of salt. Bring it to a boil, then lower the heat and let it simmer for around 25 minutes until it's tender and aromatic. While that's cooking, chop up your favorite veggies. Think colorful bell peppers, crunchy carrots, maybe some leafy greens. Sauté them in a pan with a splash of olive oil, a little garlic, and a sprinkle of your favorite spices. When the rice is done, fluff it up and pile those veggies on top. Add a squeeze of lemon and a handful of toasted nuts or seeds for crunch. There you go, a simple, delicious native rice bowl. Not only does it taste amazing, but you're nourishing your body and supporting sustainable farming traditions. So, next time you're at the market, look out for native rice and give your meals a superfood upgrade. Thanks for tuning in, and happy eating.
For more healthy diets tips, kindly like, share, and subscribe to this channel.